Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you just how easy it is to cook rump steak in the air fryer. You will love how flavoursome the rump steak is, and you can trim it to size for the air fryer like my butcher has done for me, and you can fit up to 4 pieces in the air fryer at once depending on how many people you're feeding. Before we dive into this recipe, please note all recipes featured can be found on RecipeThis.com. We specialise in a worldwide readership and recipes are in both metric and imperial. We cook exclusively with kitchen gadgets. You'll find 1,000+ recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many more over at Recipe This. This is the rump steak that we got from the butchers, and I'm ready to open it up and see what it's like and see how good it's going to cook in the air fryer. And wow, these pieces are big. I really wasn't expecting them this big. They've given me a few pieces, so what I might do instead is see which ones are the best fitting size for the air fryer and then go with those. I think they're the best ones. But that's the problem with the air fryer. I think the first thing you have to learn is to get things that are the correct size for the air fryer, whether that's air fryer accessories or what meat size will fit. That's your first dilemma. Once you achieve that, then you'll easily have air fryer success. Right, I'm just going to wash my hands for a second because, oh my God, I can't believe how much juices was on that steak. And then, like all our steaks, we always start with good old salt and pepper. Just got myself some new salt and pepper mills and they're just perfect for steak in the air fryer. And then for this one, I'm going to be adding a little bit of basil as well. So just give it a bit of a sprinkle from the top so that you don't end up with big areas with loads on and some with none. And then once you've done that, it's time for the air fryer. Now let's set the time and temp for our air fry rump steak. I would recommend a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and a cook time of 5 minutes on each side. Note that this is slightly different to the ones that are on RecipeThis.com, and that's because they're a different shape and size to the ones we're using here. Just remember to adjust your time and temp if yours are somewhat different to the recipe you're reading. Well, it's done its 5 minutes on one side, so let's turn it over. And wow, this rump, I can't believe the size of it, they look absolutely fantastic. And even though I prefer ribeye and sirloin, I love the flavour that you actually get in a rump steak. So, same again. Good old salt and pepper. And then, of course, a little bit extra basil. So give it a little sprinkling on the top of your steaks. And then we're going in, same time and temp again on the other side. And press start. And we've beat. Let's check on our rump steak, shall we? Wow, they look absolutely fantastic. Let me give you the close-up. And wow, I absolutely love how well these have turned out. And like I said, I got a pack of them from the butchers. We've got some more, so we'll be able to cook some more later as well. And let's put one to one side and see what it's like, shall we? Right, I just need a knife and fork. We can chop into it and see how well it's cooked for you. And wow, that's got a lovely pink to it, which I prefer that with the rump steak. And then, of course, I can see a nose in my view. That means that our boxer Alice, she's waiting for some too. So I better get in tucking in then. And I'm a pink girl. I absolutely love my steak with a lovely pink colouring to it. I was actually vegetarian for a few years. You know, a lot of people prefer theirs well done, but I actually love the flavour and the juices you get from a pink steak. And as I'm recording this, to my left hand side, I've got my boxer and she's sat in perfect begging position saying, "Mummy, I'll do the taste test, let me do it." And she's distracting me with her cuteness, so I better tuck in and see what it's like. Wow, it is lovely. The thing about rump is it's very easy for it to become tough. But if you cook it so that it's more of a medium or a medium rare, it's so much better for enjoying compared to doing it well done. And well, we better stop so that we can give Ali some. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more great videos, check out 1,000+ free kitchen gadget recipes at recipethis.com. Join the weekly newsletter at Recipe This too, or let's get to know each other. Comment below with where you are from and which kitchen gadget you own.